Hey everybody, this is Conservation Director with Atlanta Audubon. We are here at the Kendeda Center, Trees Atlanta office down on Chester Avenue, and we are installing some bird-friendly tape. We have partnered with Trees Atlanta to put up this tape on some of the most problematic windows in terms of bird collisions. So they have such great greenery down here, being a landscaping and botany-focused conservation group, and so we're going to help them out by putting this film up, breaking up that reflection so birds don't confuse it for suitable habitat, and then continue on their migratory route and make this building more bird safe. So as you can see here, we have a couple CollidEscape dots up, and we're just now pulling off the backing. So we've installed this film this morning. These are the small dots. We're going to place these 4 inches apart, which is enough to try to stop the birds from mistaking the reflection for a clear pathway. This product is a perforated film. As you can probably see the small dots in there. It allows natural light in and allows you to still have that beautiful view from inside while providing enough visual noise to, again, tell the bird this is not a safe place to fly anymore. So this is a project funded from our Disney Conservation Fund grant. It is the fourth of 6. We have 2 more coming in 2020, and we're excited to keep striving to make Atlanta more bird friendly.